Hey! I've got an Onan 2.8 kV F8261008 with no spark. Replace the mag and coil and still have no spark. Where do I go from here?
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer for the solution to your problem. My name is XXXXX I am going to assist you with this. The very last place of your model number will be a letter, rather than a number. What is this letter?
It's a B rather than an 8. Should have had my glasses on. Sorry.
Not a problem, this happens all the time. This is a very simple system, with few components, so it should not be hard to find the problem. Even though both are brand new, let's start with testing the coil and magneto. Pull the white wire off the coil. Pull the spark plug wire off the spark plug. Set your meter to ohms. Connect the black lead to the coil mounting screw. Connect the red lead to the terminal you removed the white wire from. You should get a reading of 0.5 ohms. Now connect the red lead to the spark plug wire. You should get a reading of 1100 ohms. Now set your meter to ACV. Connect the black lead to a good engine ground. Connect the red lead to the white wire you removed from the coil. Press and hold the start button for about 5 seconds. You should get a reading of 15 to 60 VAC. What do you get?
I got 0.5 ohms, 1036 ohms and 0.025 VAC.
This indicates that the coil is good, and that the problem is in the magneto. There are only 3 possibilities here. 1. The magneto is bad. 2. The flywheel magnets are bad. 3. The wire from the magneto to the coil is pinched somewhere and is shorting to ground. You will need to disassemble the genset to see what is going on. I would start with the magneto wire, ohm it out to make sure it is not broken or grounded. Then check the flywheel magnets. Make sure they are there, are strong, and are not completely covered in rust. If all of that checks out okay, I would suspect that your new magneto is bad. Please rate me 3 or higher, or reply to me if you need further help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.